Yo, good morning everyone. I am Richie Kim and welcome back to Richie Revs. Got a special day today because me and Truvy and his brother, we're all going to the Porsche Experience Center over here in Los Angeles. And they're hosting a Father's Day event. So happy Father's Day to all of you that are dads out there. But yeah, I mean, this is a Porsche event, but they say all makes and models are welcome, so I am expecting a lot of like high-end cars to be at the show. We'll see how it goes. You know, don't really know what this is going to be like. I've never actually been to the Porsche Experience Center, but you know, if you all don't know already, the 911 Turbo S is my attainable dream car, so it will be really cool to actually see these in person. Like not that I haven't seen it in person already, but you know, the fact that there will probably be a lot of them. Also, you know, we'll see a lot of GT3s, 3RSs, maybe some GT2s, maybe a 4RS. You know, they're all super dope. But yeah, I mean, should be pretty fun. I've heard the Porsche Experience Center is a pretty dope place, so I am pretty excited to actually see it in person. Alright, so we are pulling up to the event and there's so many cars. This thing is supposed to start at 9 and there's already a ridiculous amount of cars. Like the Porsche Experience Center is like all the way back there, and this whole main road is just completely just cars. It's kind of ridiculous. So I'm not sure where we're supposed to park, or like even how. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But I can already say that this is a pretty big turnout, and we haven't even parked yet. Like, look at this. It's crazy. There's just so many cars. And it's still early. No stopping at any time. All right, well, I'm gonna switch the phone and yeah, this is gonna be crazy. All right, so we're out here at the Porsche Experience Center for the Father's Day meet. Ooh. Hey, is this the GT3 the 3RS that cut everyone?
Yeah. Hey man, he paid for it. He got a $200,000 ticket.
Hey man, that's not how it works. You wait in line just like everyone else.
No, not here.
Nah, even here. You wait in line just like everyone else. Alright. Check this out. Yeah, this is crazy. This place is awesome. But yeah, we're gonna go inside and maybe grab some food real quick, and then we'll come out and check the cars. A bunch of cars are pulling in right now. As you can tell, like majority of it, you know, Porsches, but there are some other Germans or whatever out here. So yeah, once this lot is full, we'll probably start walking around. Damn. I would want this in chalk, but this is so nice. One day. I knew a dude in high school who had this car. He found it abandoned in a barn, and they took it.
Very, like, uncommon. They left that in there.
Yeah, it was like a champagne, like bronze-ish color, but they found it, they rebuilt it, and it ran good. Ooh, 9.2. Oh. Ooh, look at that in the back.
chalk.
Yup.
Would you expect yours like that?
Yeah, I want chalk. I can't see the wheels though.
I'm over here.
Oh. Close. Close. Something like that.
Black is so cool.
And this one I actually prefer silver.
Yeah, I like the silver.
But this
I
is,
think the silver is the most common color.
yeah. But this is nice. Damn.
It also came in like yellow and red.
Did it?
Yeah.
This is so clean.
You're actually filming this?
I am filming this.
Oh damn. These are the Vader seats. US spec comes with the 5-speed.
Oh, so you really know everything about these cars, huh?
Yeah, it looks like these have been reupholstered because normally they don't come with the Alcantara inlays.
It's clean. I like it.
Yeah, your cars come with a 6-speed. This is the LTW wing.
LTW?
Yeah. What does that mean? These are the lightweight. DS2s, I think it's style 22 or 23.
You don't have to say all that stuff.
No, he doesn't.
I was just messing with you guys.
You asked for it, and he delivered.
He did deliver. My neighbor had this car. Just a regular 3 Series though.
Yeah, this is a late model.
Ooh. 944.
Oh my god.
Man, what the heck?
Bro, the owner's nearby.
Hey, I mean it's clean, but what the heck?
It's probably an employee, and we're just roasting the employee.
Who let the Tesla in here?
I think this is employee parking. What are they whipping?
I don't know.
Shark Meat, 992, GTS,
Nice.
DK.
Is this that mirror?
Yep.
Oh, this is clean. It's really clean. Damn. On the BBS. Got the Taycons. Another 911. Oh, is this the GT3 RS that cut us off earlier? I'm not sure, but it's clean. Green's a little extra for me, but still a very clean car.
The CS.
This is clean.
What do you think about
Damn.
the blue and yellow?
This is so nice. This is clean.
The manuals, and then what's distinct about them is they have this.
Oh yeah, I see it. I don't like the decal though.
Yeah, it's
You think-
gold.
Ooh.
PDK's less.
Because it's a manual, right?
Correct.
It's clean though.
Similar to like the 911R. And then even check out those wheels, how they have
Oh
like,
shit.
super lightweight
That's crazy.
BBSs with the center locks.
Nice little Targa. Oh, is this one actually like a Porsche Experience one? The mint color kind of goes hard, actually. Look at all these classic Porsches. Yo, this is sick too. Damn. This color is so nice. It's like, it reminds me of like Drive It Gray, except instead of the gray, it's blue. But in the light, you have like this gold speckle. It looks really, really cool. This is clean too. Let's see. Damn. Yo, check this out. It's just a Porsche, right? Look inside. Can you all see this? It's got kid seats in the back, baby seats.
It's a family car.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's a family car. This is a true family car right here. That GTS. Not my style, but you know, still a dope car. Damn. Got another Spider. Oh, here they go. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. But yeah, this Spider is nice. Is this a 4RS? Yeah. This is super clean. Another 4RS. These are so nice. Damn, another Spider. Damn. I think my favorite one is a chalk. I love chalk. Chalk is like my favorite Porsche color.
It's the GT4 RS equivalent.
Spider RS. All right, so we wrapped up finally over here at the Porsche event. It was really cool. I mean, there's so many Porsches here, all different types of Porsches. You got the classic ones, you got the newer ones. It was really cool to see like everything all come together all in one spot. Because I can definitely say like I haven't seen this much diversity in Porsches. Because, you know, over at Cars and Coffee, it's usually, you know, the newer ones. You see the 3RSs, Turbo S's, whatever. But here, like, we saw like every generation of those, and it was just really cool to see everything all together all at once. But yeah, I mean, you know, shout out to Porsche Experience Center for putting this together, because yeah, I mean, it turned out really, really well in my opinion. So right now we are actually on our way to get some gas, and then we're gonna drive down PCH. So I'm actually gonna say that for another video. But yeah, you know, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed this event. It was just really cool. So yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one.